Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So, I wanna eat veggie. This is a half-boiled broccoli, hot water with salt, like half-boiled al dente broccoli. So saute with eringi and shiitake. So very easy to make. Broccoli and mushroom aioli saute. 2 garlic, 1 chili pepper, salt, olive oil. Okay, very easy to make. Just show you. So I'm gonna use 2 garlic slice. Okay. Okay, 1 chili pepper and 2 slices of garlic. Olive oil. This, turn on the switch. Okay, now start timing. Garlic will change color brown. So mushroom. Broccoli. Salt. Check this. Done. Good. Aioli saute. It's eringi mushroom with shiitake mushroom. Good flavor from chili pepper and garlic. Good matching. I'm just added seasoning salt. That's it. Hot chili pepper. This is a good item. This kind of saute, stir fry. Chili pepper and garlic and olive oil. So tasty. Broccoli. I really recommend this kind of stir fry. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you.